to the bottom of the Eyre Peninsula, and it's going to get up to high 30s today.
40, yeah.
So we thought we'd go beach hopping in the Lincoln National Park.
No Abraham here though.
No Abraham here. Funny, funny, funny. Beach numero uno. September beach. But we're in November, but no.
Still not that funny.
But it's good. It looks pretty awesome.
Paint me like one of your French girls.
Windy, so beach number 2, Donnington Beach. Beach number 3 and final beach for the day. Fisherman's Cove. Beer o'clock. Just in.
Round and round you go.
Because now they see my belly, we'll see Justin's belly instead. Ooh, ooh.
One.
Ooh. What you cooking, cowboy?
Some pasta.
Some pasta.
Yeah. Just some sauce. It's really hot. Trying to look cool, but that was really hot. Enjoying the weather. How hot was it yesterday?
It was meant to be high 30s, but I think it was more low 30s, but it was significantly different to today.
Miserable.
So today we finally go to Memory Cove. We've got the key from the information centre, which is here, and off we go. Just letting some air out the tyres. What are you thinking?
25?
25. Okay, I better go find a stick and get helping.
Got my sticky deflator 4000.
We are at Memory Cove.
So,
It's about an hour rough road in. The beach is pretty stunning though. Just seen a seal, seen some dolphins, many a bird, not too many people. What more can you want? After a lovely / windy and a slightly wet night on Memory Cove, we are heading back to Port Lincoln, but not until we try the Sleaford-Wanna track. Tad windy, more than a tad windy. I think it's windier than it was at Arthur Seat in Scotland. We are here. Initial thoughts of the track?
Looks like more of a desert than the actual desert did. It's just so, because it's so wind blown, there's no tracks, there's no sign of people. It's awesome.
Just dunes for days.
Gross.
Huge.
Free Willy! Was Willy a whale? Oh yeah, that's pretty gruesome.
So how do you find the whale covers?
That was gross.
Gross. How was the smell?
I was fine until I got to within like a few metres downwind of it. And yeah, it was worse than the bin that made me throw up.
We are at Point Isaac at the tip of Coffin Bay.
Named after Isaac.
We've got Seasick Bay behind us, aptly named for some, and yeah, the sun's out, the wind's died off, and it's a beautiful South Australian day.
Just let it'll drop away a bit. Turn into it a little bit, turn into it.
Jesus fucking Christ. someone liked the smell of our dinner, didn't you?
Have you got any food? I like food. I'm furry and cute. Oh, is that food?
I don't feed kangaroos. Are you cute?
I'm real cute. Can you feed me? Windy.
You gonna make it to the top?
Yep. Should have bought the sandboard.
Well, it's still possible.
It's a long way.
Just there.
We've come this far.
Okay. So close. You made it to the top.
Yep.
That was our tour of the southern end of the Eyre Peninsula. Join us next week when we head inland towards the Gawler Ranges.